The arrival of His Royal Highness Majesty Fonbu II, just driving in, received by the dang from Kumba. His arrival accompanied by the little from where, as you can see, they are here. This is my able president. And we have the Natum, the Musos here. They are here to receive His Royal Highness, the National Wekuda President. Yeah. He just stepped down from his car. His Royal Majesty Fonbu II.